going on the internet. Oh my god.
That's not funny. Hey. Oh my god. Oh my god.
She fell 2 feet down.
Give me the claw. 2 stories down?
I'd laugh.
That's a purple door.
That's blue.
Purple.
Blue. Andrea's struggling to open the door. I mean the door, the window. If you open the screen and it like falls out the other way, I'm gonna like sue you.
I can't reach the top one.
Jordy.
Like, this is behind.
It's so stupid. I'm not catching you if you fall back. You know, they can probably see you.
Oh my god.
You left, remember?
Oh shit.
No, his mom was probably watching you.
I need a pencil.
What? No.
Yes, I need a pencil. I didn't know the guy was there. Are you still recording?